Installing an M.2 backplane and M.2 drive. If necessary, adjust the position on the M.2 drive retainer so that it is compatible with the size of the M.2 drive you are installing. Hold the M.2 drive at an angle and insert it into the M.2 slot. Slide the retainer toward the M.2 drive to secure it in place. Open the M.2 backplane retention latch on the air baffle. Align the guide holes on the M.2 backplane with the guide pins on the air baffle, and then lower the M.2 backplane and insert it into the air baffle. Fasten the screw that secures the M.2 backplane to the air baffle. Connect the M.2 backplane cables to the M.2 backplane. Fasten the screw on the signal cable. Install the top cover.